revised lesson, The Beggar. This is the last lesson of your book Moments. I read extract and then you will tell me the answer of these questions. Kind sir, have pity. Turn your attention to a poor, hungry man. For 3 days, I have had nothing to eat. I haven't 5 kopecks for a lodging. I swear it before God. For 8 years, I was a village school teacher, and then I lost my place through intrigues. I fell a victim to calumny. It is a year now since I have had anything to do. Who is saying these words?
The beggar.
The beggar. What is the name of that beggar? Lashkov. Yes. Who is I in the given extract? Who is I in the given extract? Lashkov, Sergei, Lashkov's friends, Olga. Lashkov. Who is Olga?
Cook.
Who's cook?
Sergei.
Sir. Next question. What was he doing? What was he doing? Asking for work, begging, requesting for help and acting. He was begging. ठीक है? What was his condition? Injured, happy, satisfactory, poverty stricken. Poverty stricken. What was he tell about himself?
He is a teacher in a school.
What does he tell about himself? He was a school teacher. He was a student. He was an orchestra. He was a businessman. Through this passage that I read to you, through this passage we come to know that he was a school teacher. But if we go through the lesson, then we come to know that he was saying that he was also working in that stage. ठीक है? ऑर्केस्ट्रा जो वर्कर्स थे उनमें वो काम कर रहा था, वो भी है ना. तो सिर्फ इस पैसेज को पढ़ के हमें ये आइडिया रखना है कि वो स्कूल टीचर था. Which word in the extract means the same as defamation? Pity, losing, calumny and intrigues. Defamation.
Pity.
हाँ? Same as defamation. चलो पढ़ते हैं यहाँ पर. He said, kind sir, have pity. Turn your attention to a poor, hungry man. For 3 days, I have had nothing to eat. I haven't 5 kopecks for a lodging. I swear it before God. For 8 years, I was a village school teacher, and then I lost my place through intrigues. Through intrigues का मतलब क्या है? I fell a victim to calumny. It is a year now since I have had nothing to do. Calumny आएगा इसका. क्या आएगा? Calumny. Defamation का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है? Calumny. This is dishonesty, my dear sir. Second passage. This is dishonesty, my sir. He cried angrily. This is swindling. I shall send the police for you. Damn you. Who is saying these words? Who is saying these words? Sergei. कौन? Sergei. Sir, he said, laying his hand on his heart. The fact is, I was lying. Falling his hand on his heart and said, the fact is, I was lying. I am neither a student nor a school teacher. मैं ना तो कभी स्टूडेंट था और ना ही मैं स्कूल टीचर था. All that was fiction. फिक्शन क्या होता है? सिर्फ ड्रामा था ये मेरा. सिर्फ एक स्टोरी थी, फिक्शन था. Formerly I sang in a Russian choir. रशियन कोयर था. रशियन कोयर का मतलब क्या होता है? A group of singers. Choir and was sent away for drunkenness. ठीक है? और मेरे को वहाँ से भगा दिया गया, मेरे को वहाँ से निकाल दिया गया पीने की वजह से. But what else can I do? और मैं कर भी क्या सकता हूँ? I can't get along without lying. मैं अपने झूठ बोलने के साथ ही अपना सर्वाइव कर सकता हूँ. झूठ बोलने के अलावा मैं कर भी क्या सकता हूँ? No one will give me anything. अगर मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा तो कोई मुझे कुछ भी नहीं देगा. When I tell the truth, what can I do? कहते जब मैं झूठ बोलता हूँ, भीख मांगता हूँ, तो भीख मांगने के लिए झूठ बोलनी पड़ती है मुझे, जगह जगह पर अपना चेहरा, अपना जो स्टोरी है, अपनी फिक्शन है वो चेंज करनी पड़ती है, और तभी मुझे खाने के लिए कुछ मिलता है। अगर मैं सच बोलूँगा तो कोई मुझे कुछ भी नहीं देगा। जब मेरे पास काम ही नहीं है तो मैं अपना सर्वाइव कैसे करूँगा? सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव टू टेल ए लाई। ठीक है, वो ये बोलता है उसको। वाई डिड सर्गी थ्रेटन टू कॉल द पुलिस? Why did Sergey threaten to call the police? Because the beggar had stolen from him, because the beggar was wanted criminal, and because the beggar was lying to him, because the beggar was a lost person.
Lying to him.
Was lying to him. Was lying to him मतलब she was telling a lie to him. What truth did the beggar reveal? What truth did the beggar reveal? बैगर ने उसके सामने कौन सी सच्चाई रिवील की?
He is not a student, not a teacher.
He was a schoolmaster. He was in a choir. He was a student. He was uneducated.
He is a boy.
He was in a choir. He was in a group of singers, Russian singers. ठीक है? Next है, why did the beggar lose his job?
Because of drunkenness.
He was a drunkard, he was a liar, he didn't know how to do his job, and he was a criminal.
He was a drunkard.
He was a drunkard. Why did he lie? उसने झूठ क्यों बोला? Because no one would give him anything if he told the truth. Because of his habit, because he was told to do so, and because he would not get a job anywhere. First one. If he doesn't tell a lie, he will not get anything from anyone. चलिए next word. Which word in the extract means the same as to obtain something falsely? To obtain something falsely. Formerly, lying, swindling, and dishonesty.
फिर से बता दो.
Which word in the extract means the same as to obtain something falsely? Formerly, lying, swindling, and dishonesty.
Formerly.
No. सोच लो.
Third one क्या था?
Swindling. Swindling. Swindling ही आएगा. To obtain something falsely. This is swindling. This is swindling. देखो जो फर्स्ट वाला जो लाइन था, this is dishonesty, my dear sir. Who is saying? सर्गी कह रहा है ये. This is dishonesty, my dear sir. He cried angrily. गुस्सा आया उसे. This is swindling. Swindling का मतलब क्या है? To obtain something falsely. कि किसी भी चीज़ को obtain करना, किसी चीज़ को प्राप्त करना falsely, ये झूठे तरीके से, गलत तरीके से. ठीक है? I shall send the police for you. तुम गलत तरीके से obtain कर रहे हो. मैं तुम्हारे पास पुलिस को भेजता हूँ, तुम्हारे लिए पुलिस को बुलाता हूँ. ठीक है, ये बोल रहा है. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? टू ऑब्टेन समथिंग फाल्सली का मतलब क्या है? स्विंडलिंग. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें वो वर्ड फाइंड आउट करना है जो कि एक्सट्रैक्ट के अंदर दिया गया है. इज दैट क्लियर? तो इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट टाइम दैट व्हाट द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड, व्हाट द करेक्ट वर्ड, देन यू शुड रीड द पैसेज अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है, you will find out the sense of that meaning of that word, because you will have to tell here according to the sense of that word in this passage, not literally word, not literally meaning. literal meaning नहीं बताना आपको उसका क्योंकि इंग्लिश में यही तो बात है इंग्लिश की, कि एक वर्ड का मीनिंग जो ना पता नहीं कितने मीनिंग निकलते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंस. समझ आया? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंस उस पैसेज में किस सेंस से उसको यूज किया गया है, उस वर्ड को यूज किया गया है, वी विल हैव टू टेल अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वर्ड. इज दैट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चंस. व्हाई डिड द कार्टर्स मेक फन ऑफ लश्कोव? व्हाई डिड द कार्टर्स मेक फन ऑफ लश्कोव? कार्टर्स जो है ना लश्कोव का फन क्यों बनाते थे, मजाक क्यों करते थे वो?
ज़्यादा पीता.
Yes, he was drunkard and he always make क्या लाइन, झूठ बोलता था वो हमेशा, ठीक है। What for what did Leshkov feel indebted to Olga? For what did Leshkov feel indebted to Olga? Who was Olga? Sergei's cook. तो कुक के प्रति जो ना ओल्गा के प्रति वो indebted, उसने अपने आप को कैसे फील किया? इंडेटेड का मतलब क्या है? INDEBTED। इंडेटेड का मतलब क्या है कि उसके प्रति उसने ऑब्लाइज कैसे फील किया, अपने आप को कृतज्ञ कैसे फील किया, अपने आप को एक कर्जदार कैसे फील किया। Because Olga cut all the woods for him, he didn't even touch the wood. He did all the works for Leshkov, and she always suggested him not to tell a lie and to do something for himself. ठीक है, वो उसके लिए रोती थी, उसको सही सलाह देती थी, उसके लिए परेशान होती थी, उसके लिए दुखी होती थी। She got pain for him. एक्चुअल में जो उसने पेन फील किया था, तो उसकी वजह से उसने अपने आप को चेंज किया था। Why did the beggar accept to do chopping work for Sergei?
मजबूरी थी उसकी।
Because now he was helpless. There was no other way to opt anything. कि किसी और चीज़ को, उसने कहा था कि मुझे काम तो मिलता नहीं। I'm not able to do work. No one will give me work. No one will give me work and no one give me something to eat. No one give me any money so that I can survive. Then Sergei said that I will give you work. Now there was no way to escape for him. उसको बचने का कोई रास्ता ही नहीं था। अब तो उसने वर्क के लिए बोला कि मुझे वर्क कौन देगा, तो कहते मैं दूंगा तुझे वर्क काम करने के लिए, फिर आप ये काम छोड़ दोगे, तो इसलिए उसने उसका काम एक्सेप्ट कर लिया। How did Olga treat Leshkov in the beginning? Why did she do this? ओल्गा ने लश्कोव को ऐसे जो स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे ट्रीट क्यों किया? In the beginning, she said to him to chop the woods, and standby she always advised him to do work, not to drink champagne or beer, any other things. ठीक है? But ultimately she thought that he will not do anything because he had no capacity to do work. वो इतना कमज़ोर हो चुका था। ठीक है? So she always rested him and she worked all for him. She chopped all the woods for him and she gave the money what she deserved for that. किसको दिया उसने मनी? लश्कोव। ठीक है? तो रियली शी चेंज्ड हिम, नॉट ओनली सर्गी। सर्गी ने उसको काम दिया था, लेकिन उसके जो हार्ट को चेंज किया, उसके माइंड को चेंज किया, वो किसने किया? ओल्गा। ठीक है? Why did Sergei call Leshkov his godson? Why did Sergei call Leshkov his godson? That is important question. Godson क्यों बोला उसने उसको अपना? Because he considered himself like a god who gave work to Leshkov, and he thought that he had changed his life. He had changed Leshkov's life. But when they met after years after, at the cinema hall, when they were purchasing tickets, then Sergei thought that he is God for that Leskov. But Leskov told him in clear words that he is the not only person that had changed the life of Leskov. He had been changed by the behavior of Olga, your cook. You don't deserve, you can't say that only you have changed me, but your cook Olga, she did hard work for me, she took pain for me, she cried for me. Okay, so she deserves what you are saying, that I am your godson. No, thanks for your cooperation, you gave me work. ठीक है, आपने मुझे इस लायक बनाया, लेकिन मेरे हार्ट को चेंज करना, मेरे माइंड को चेंज करना, that credit goes to Olga. Okay, have you understood?